All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming, and I'm in the middle of trying to create this vanilla Java payroll program. And I'm here in main.java. Left off on this yesterday. This is going to build the entire window content. So let's make it bigger than that. All right. I'm going to have two cards here. So that's the one we're going to write in just a minute. It's going to give us an error because we haven't created it yet. And after we create this one, we're going to create another one. Okay. All right. All right, and what this means, just so you know, is I'm going to have a grid with one row, that's the 1, 2 columns, that's the 2, 16 pixels of horizontal gap between the columns, that's the 16. All right. The 0, there just isn't any. So this is the top, 24 pixels, 16 left, 24 bottom, and 16 right. Not rot, it's root. And finally, and you'll notice up at the top here, oh, it isn't giving us that anymore. We had an error here because we weren't returning anything, so we are now. Here we go. All right. And you'll notice now that we've got this, that one has gone away. All right. So this is going to build the left part, the employee entry card for the employee type. All right, now let's set up the employee drop-down. And we want to make sure it starts with nothing selected. All right, we want to insert an actual null entry at position 0 in the list of choices. So if this particular item is being rendered, if it's the null, we want to substitute it. Otherwise, we want to use the real value. That should have been question mark. That's if it's true. Now we'll put in colon. If it's false. All right, let's look at this because it's giving me a bunch of errors. So, employee type combo, set renderer, new default list, render. Well, that was it. All right. Okay, whenever the user picks a different item in the dropdown, you want to run an on-employee type change to swap so the input fields change. So if you went and you had hourly, it would have hours worked and hourly rate, and if you switched to commission, it would have sales amount and commission rate. Okay. All right, let's see where I am for time. Okay, I'm at 17 minutes here, so I think I'm going to stop. And in the next video, then, I want to finish the build input card, and then I want to do the build results card. Should be able to do both those and probably even go a little further in the next lecture. I will see you then. Thanks.